Climate change is a topic that has been on the forefront of global discussions for decades. It refers to the long-term changes in weather patterns and temperatures around the world, which are largely caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation. These activities release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing the Earth's temperature to rise. As the Earth's temperature continues to rise, it affects us, the environment, animals, the ocean, and the water cycle in numerous ways. In this article, we will explore how each of these areas is impacted by climate change. Firstly, let's take a look at how climate change affects us. Rising temperatures can cause more frequent and severe heat waves, which can have numerous health impacts such as dehydration, heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and even death in extreme cases. Climate change also increases the likelihood of natural disasters such as floods, wildfires, and hurricanes, which can result in property damage, displacement, and loss of life. Moving on to the environment, climate change has a significant impact on ecosystems and biodiversity. As temperatures rise, many plant and animal species are forced to adapt to new conditions or risk extinction. This can lead to imbalances in ecosystems, affecting the food chain and disrupting the natural balance of nature. Climate change also has severe consequences for animals. As habitats change and become inhospitable, animals are forced to migrate or face extinction. For example, polar bears rely on sea ice to hunt and raise their young, but with the rapid melting of Arctic sea ice due to climate change, their survival is threatened. Additionally, global warming has led to coral bleaching events, which have devastated coral reefs and the marine life that depend on them. Speaking of the ocean, climate change has a profound effect on this vast body of water. The ocean absorbs much of the excess heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, resulting in warmer and more acidic waters. This has a devastating impact on marine life, as many organisms are sensitive to changes in temperature and acidity. The ocean also plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate, so any changes to it can have far-reaching consequences. Finally, let's consider how climate change affects the water cycle. As temperatures rise, evaporation rates increase, leading to more frequent and intense rainfall events. This can result in flooding and soil erosion, which can have severe impacts on agriculture, infrastructure, and human settlements. At the same time, increased temperatures can cause droughts, which have significant implications for crop yields, water supplies, and natural ecosystems. Climate change is a complex issue that affects many aspects of our lives, from our health and safety to the environment and the planet at large. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and interconnected, meaning that addressing this issue requires a comprehensive approach that considers all areas of impact. By working together to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, protect vulnerable ecosystems, and promote sustainable practices, we can help mitigate the effects of climate change and ensure a brighter future for ourselves, the environment, and all living beings.